This is a crisis that is probably as serious as the 1973 and the 2022 crisis combined. And this means that we are looking into some very difficult months or maybe even years, depending, of course, on the development in the Middle East. But even in a best-case scenario, it's still bad. This must be a wake-up call and a turning point. When Europe steps away from fossil fuel dependence and steps toward clean energy autonomy, because now it is more obvious than ever. This is why, today, we propose an acceleration towards electrification. Now is the time to push fossil fuels out of electricity production. Now is the time to electrify industry, transport, heating systems and buildings across Europe.